Welcome to this tutorial on the applications of generative AI across different fields. In this video, you will explore how Gen AI is transforming industries with real-world use cases and practical insights. Generative AI plays a critical role in text and language processing by enabling machines to generate, understand, and summarize human language. It is widely used in chatbots, virtual assistants, translation systems, and content creation platforms. These systems improve communication efficiency and reduce manual writing effort across industries. In this field, generative AI creates and enhances images using advanced models such as GANs and diffusion networks. It is applied in creative design, medical imaging, surveillance, and visual inspection systems. AI-generated images help automate design workflows and improve visual data analysis accuracy. Generative AI enables machines to generate and process human-like speech and audio content. It supports text-to-speech, speech-to-text, voice cloning, and music composition. These technologies enhance accessibility, media production, and user interaction across digital platforms. Generative AI automates video creation, editing, and animation by transforming text, images, or data into visual narratives. It is used in education, marketing, entertainment, and training simulations. This significantly reduces production time and cost while enabling scalable content creation. In healthcare, generative AI assists doctors and researchers by generating medical reports, diagnostic insights, and treatment recommendations. It supports drug discovery, clinical documentation, and patient engagement systems. These applications improve efficiency while enhancing decision-making accuracy in medical environments. Generative AI is widely adopted in finance for risk assessment, fraud detection, and financial forecasting. It generates analytical reports, customer insights, and automated advisory responses. These systems help financial institutions improve operational efficiency and personalized customer services. Generative AI transforms education by enabling personalized learning experiences and intelligent tutoring systems. It generates quizzes, learning materials, explanations, and feedback for students. Educators benefit from automated content creation and assessment support. In software engineering, generative AI accelerates development by generating code, documentation, and test cases. It supports debugging, refactoring, and DevOps automation workflows. This reduces development time while improving software quality and maintainability. Generative AI creates engaging marketing content such as advertisements, social media posts, and email campaigns. It analyzes customer behavior to generate personalized messaging and recommendations. Businesses use these tools to improve brand reach and conversion rates. In gaming, generative AI enables dynamic storytelling, character creation, and procedural world generation. It enhances realism by generating adaptive NPC dialogue and environments. These capabilities create immersive and personalized gaming experiences. Generative AI supports innovation in manufacturing by generating optimized product designs and simulations. It enables digital twins, predictive maintenance, and process optimization. These applications help reduce production costs and improve product quality. Generative AI assists legal professionals by generating contracts, summarizing case documents, and supporting legal research. It improves compliance monitoring and policy documentation. This reduces manual workload while increasing accuracy and consistency. In cybersecurity, generative AI simulates attack scenarios and generates threat intelligence reports. It supports automated incident response and vulnerability analysis. These tools strengthen security preparedness and proactive defense strategies. Generative AI accelerates research by generating hypotheses, summarizing scientific literature, and simulating experiments. It helps researchers analyze large datasets efficiently. This leads to faster discovery and innovation across scientific disciplines. In retail, generative AI enhances customer experience through personalized recommendations and virtual shopping assistance. It generates product descriptions, promotional content, and demand forecasts. These tools improve sales performance and inventory management. Generative AI supports precision agriculture by generating insights from weather, soil, and crop data. It assists farmers in decision-making related to irrigation, fertilization, and disease prevention. These applications improve yield, sustainability, and resource efficiency. In smart cities, generative AI helps simulate traffic, energy usage, and urban growth scenarios. It supports sustainable infrastructure planning and resource optimization. City planners use these insights to design safer and more efficient urban environments. Generative AI enables robots to plan actions, learn behaviors, and interact naturally with humans. It supports motion planning, task sequencing, and adaptive learning. These capabilities improve autonomy in industrial, service, and autonomous robotic systems. In HR, generative AI automates resume screening, job description creation, and interview preparation. It also generates workforce analytics and employee engagement insights. This helps organizations make data-driven hiring and management decisions. Generative AI optimizes supply chains by generating demand forecasts, routing plans, and risk scenarios. It improves inventory management and operational resilience. Businesses use these insights to reduce costs and handle disruptions effectively. Generative AI assists architects and engineers by generating building designs and structural simulations. It enables efficient space planning and construction scheduling. These tools reduce design errors and improve project efficiency. In fashion, generative AI creates clothing designs, forecasts trends, and personalizes recommendations. It supports virtual try-on experiences and sustainable material planning. These applications accelerate design cycles and enhance customer engagement. Generative AI supports journalism by drafting articles, summarizing events, and translating news into multiple languages. It helps journalists manage large volumes of information quickly. Media organizations use it to deliver timely and personalized news content. In public safety, generative AI assists crime analysis, report generation, and emergency planning. It supports predictive analysis and surveillance data interpretation. These tools help agencies improve response effectiveness and prevention strategies. Generative AI helps model climate change scenarios and environmental impacts. It supports sustainability planning and disaster prediction. Researchers use these tools to analyze complex environmental data and support policy decisions. In insurance, generative AI automates claim processing and risk evaluation. It generates policy documents, fraud narratives, and underwriting insights. This improves operational efficiency and decision accuracy. Generative AI enhances telecom operations by optimizing networks and predicting faults. It supports customer service automation and usage analytics. These applications improve service reliability and customer satisfaction. Generative AI supports space research by analyzing satellite data and simulating missions. It helps summarize astronomical observations and plan exploration activities. This accelerates discovery and mission success. In sports, generative AI analyzes player performance, predicts outcomes, and generates training insights. It also creates fan engagement content and strategic simulations. Teams use these tools to improve competitiveness and athlete health. Generative AI creates digital replicas of physical systems for monitoring and optimization. These digital twins simulate real-world behavior and predict future outcomes. Industries use them to improve efficiency, safety, and decision-making. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this session useful, please like the video, share it with others, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep building with generative AI application.